Hello everyone, we're going to make one of my favourites for this time of year, cacao and blackberry smoothie. So we've got a cup of plant milk, in it goes. Got a few ice cubes because there's nothing like a nice cold chill is there on the hot day. Freshly picked blackberries, so filled with vitamin C and antioxidants. We're going to put a small handful of those in, or quite a large handful. Love blackberries. A little bit of my cacao, just launched, ceremonial cacao, so we're going to put a little chunk of that in. All You Need chocolate protein powder. We're going to put a spoon of that in. All You Need superfood mix. We're going to put a spoon of that in. This is going to be such a good smoothie. There we go. And then we are going to whiz and have something delicious, high in vitamin C, forage goods. There we go. Let's give it a whiz and send it some love. You need to give it a good whiz when you've got that chunk of ceremonial cacao and the blackberries to get some of those pips up. Those seeds in the blackberries are so good for us. And look at the colour of that. That just looks exquisite, doesn't it? Oh, cacao and blackberry smoothie. Nothing better. Enjoy.